SAR is trending up 26.18%. This is Tuesday, the 6th of January 2026. The stock has come into major focus and is also gaining momentum as traders and long-term investors zero in on its critical role in the U.S. Department of Energy's Advanced Reactor Demonstration Pilot Program, where the company is targeting the deployment of an Integral Molten Salt Reactor pilot by July of this year, 2026. Sentiment has strengthened further following the announcement of a fuel supply agreement with Westinghouse, supporting the development of advanced nuclear fuel essential for the company's commercial roadmap. Across investing communities, the company is increasingly being positioned as a deep value play within the advanced nuclear and small modular reactor sector, especially when compared to higher profile peers such as OKLO. Supporters point to its LEU-based fuel strategy, avoiding the reliance on harder to source HALEU as a major strategic advantage that could streamline regulatory progress and accelerate deployment timelines. At the same time, there's a growing buzz around the company's potential role in powering AI data centers, hydrogen production, industrial heat, and energy intensive manufacturing, where secure or baseload clean energy is rapidly becoming a mission critical requirement. While the stock has experienced heavy post-SPAC volatility, many in the investing and trading community now see the recent pullback as a prime accumulation window, particularly given the company's DOE aligned development track, industrial partnerships, and real-world deployment focus. Bulls argue that if the company successfully executes on its reactor roadmap, today's valuation could ultimately look like an early stage entry into one of the sector's future leaders. Okay, so let's see what's going on right now. Yeah, this is where it is right now. So it has a pivotal projection of 9.26. If it closes above that, the chance of it advancing towards 9.69 may improve. Okay, yeah, so that's what's going on right now. So what we can do is just go back to its weekly chart. There may not be enough data there, but we will apply the market grid. You can see it's quite scanty, but we'll apply the market grid here or anyway. The market grid gives you a range of prices. It has the potential of trading within. Okay, let's see what we have. Okay, currently the grid is saying as of yesterday the 5th, it was saying between 7.96 and 5.11. So okay, so it's currently trading outside of this grid. Okay, yeah, but at the same time as well, if we look back, if you look all the way back to November, we have between 18.21 and 10.62. Yeah, but it is not the current is not a prevailing grid right now. Okay, but in any case, well, let's have a look at it. Yeah, we just had to look at had it. We just wanted to have a look at that. It's not giving us any confidence. It's trading outside of that grid, indicating that maybe there's a chance it might pull back, but let's not conclude. But anyway, let's just have a look at its 1 hour chart. Yeah, okay. This is the potential it has up to 9.41. Yeah, and I remember I mentioned 9.41 on the day, $9 and fraction on the 4 hour chart. If it's I think yeah, I mean this validates that I was saying that there was a critical it's a critical pivotal there's a pivotal projection. If it closes above it, then $9 and fraction will suffice, may suffice. And here we are looking at that sort of price as one of these prices, a sort of range it has a potential to trade within. Okay, 9.58 and 8.02. It's currently at 8.8, and in the with the trajectory to the upside, 8.8 is somewhere here. So It's in between the resistance and the support, so the odds of it advancing towards 8.98 is there as well. Usually, when we what we notice is that when they are in the resistance zones, they tend to also with when they're in the resistance zone with an upward trajectory, they tend to test higher prices within that grid. So 8.98 is something that can happen. Indeed, also 9.91. Yeah, if only this chart will permit us, we might be able to see what it has already done. Yeah, we have had 9.46. So it has actually done this already. 9.46 has already gotten pretty much to this 9.5 already today. It has already done that. So it's just a retest of what has already been done. The 4 hour chart is not okay, it hasn't reacted yet. So yeah, just have a look and let's see now. Let's see what we didn't read out the extrapolation. Obviously, it doesn't have enough data. Let's pick up the extrapolation here. Let's try the 3 hour chart. It doesn't have any extrapolations. No. Let's try the 2 hour chart. No extrapolations. Let's 1 hour chart. I believe may have extrapolations. Yeah, here it's saying higher prices are expected to keep printing all the way towards the 8th of January. Yeah, that's Thursday. Well, we'll see. We'll see how all of that will go. All of this will pan out. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Price pressure momentums. We can also go back to the. We could try them here. Try them. Begin from here. Find out the price pressure momentums. We already know that this extrapolation is saying that higher prices may print, and we also have the market grid saying that it has potential to do so. What we now do is apply the price pressure momentum indicator. It gives us it measures the angle of attack of the moving average, and also tells us what market what's going on in the market as well. Let's have a look down here. So this is what's going on, and also gives us extrapolations as well. What could possibly happen in the near term. So momentum is expected to remain stable up to midday today the 6th, and then after that, yeah, pretty much stable as well, at least up till the close of today's trading session. Then after that, we are looking at the prospect of a plunge. But as things stand right now, I think they're surely buying more. They are buying more. They're most certainly buying. We see buying pressure. The moving average is rising at the pace of 26 point. It's rising at the pace of 28.44 dollars every 1 hour. It does not mean that it's going to print 28.4. You know, the stock was before now. It was yeah, yeah. It doesn't mean that's what's going to happen. That just tells you how fast it is rising. Yeah. If anything, yeah, it's yeah. That's what's going on right now. Buying pressure is increasing. Yeah, buying pressure is also increasing. Buying pace is yes, also increasing as well. Yeah, okay. So the people are for now they are buying as things stand right now. This is the pre-market session. The market is about to open in a few minutes. Okay, now this is we have to look at the 4 hour chart. Yeah, let's see what we have. Buying pressure is surely increasing. It has increased of late. Yes, the buying pace is has increased tremendously as well. Yeah, and buying pressure has increased. Buying pace equally increased as well. Okay, yeah. So have a look and see what you make of IMSR, and thank you very much for watching this video. But expect a pullback to happen. But I wanted to find out if if this is providing us with this is a good time to begin to buy. So that's why I began on the weekly chart, but it seems I didn't really do much justice to that. Let's go back to the weekly chart and see. Yeah. Okay, let's see what we have here. Let's see. Okay, this is it's not going to give us going by what we have right now. It's not going to give us because the market is not this weekly chart is not so active, but we'll try anyway. We'll try anyway. So what we will consider is it's if it's begin if it started to trend, it's not trending yet. It's not trending yet. Based on this weekly data, it's not trending yet. So the weekly chart is not giving us what is satisfactory. Let's daily chart. Yeah, not yeah. Okay. Well, by the time the market opens, it may change. Yeah. Yeah, well, it's improving. It's improving. Maybe by the time the market opens, it may be a totally different picture. But based on the 4 hour chart, which is more of a trader's chart, it has the opportunity is there, but in the very short term, I think if you want to go in, if you want to buy the stock, you have just wait for a possible pullback to happen. It has the potential to retest previous highs. But given this is a second straight session of gains, not even second. This is what yeah, second straight session of gains. Yeah, this is a third straight session of gains. So there's a good chance it may pull back somewhat, and then maybe consolidate before you start going in. But it is trending right now. It is trending. It is trending. If you really want to get in, I would say just going with a very tight, very small size, very small size. It has the prospect to advance and test previous highs, but in the interim, it has printed three straight session of gains. There's a chance it might pull back before it advances again. So these are the things you have to consider. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video.